So आज क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? वो गूगल क्वेश्चंस क्या रिसेंट मोस्ट सर्च गूगल क्वेश्चंस. No, I haven't heard of something like that getting delayed in winter. Hello friends, I'm Dr. Sonal Kumta and I'm speaking to you from Fortis Hospital, Mulund. I'm here to represent the Obstetric and Gynec department of Fortis Hospital. Now today we are going to talk about some frequently asked Google questions. So I have been given these Google questions and I don't know what the questions are, and I'm going to try to answer some of these frequently searched questions. So the first question is, does period stop during pregnancy? Well, of course periods stop during pregnancy. I mean, the very fact that you are pregnant, you will not get your periods. Next question is, does period hurt? Not necessary. Some women can have a lot of pain during periods and some other times it may not hurt at all. Does period cause mood swings? There are certain hormonal changes in your body at the time of periods, and they can result in mood swings, and this is typically called as PMS. Does using tampon affect virginity? Well, this is very difficult to answer because technically one has to insert the tampon inside the vagina, and in order for it to go into the vagina, it has to enter via the hymen. So your hymen is going to be broken and your tampon is going to be inserted in vagina. Now if you want to call that loss of virginity, well, it's a different story, but no, according to me, virginity is a sexual act and using tampons should not affect virginity. Is penetration during sex painful? How should I answer this question? Now, see, ideally, if both the partners are very keen about having sex and they are well lubricated and they are very well aware of their anatomy, then penetration should not be a painful thing at all. Does having sex during period making you pregnant? No, because when you are having your menses, there is no way you are ovulating, so you can't get pregnant. But it's always better to be safe rather than sorry. So it's better you use a contraceptive at all given times of your cycle. Okay. Does having sex during pregnancy hurt the baby? No, it does not cause any hurt to the baby, but there are specific situations in pregnancy when we will ask you to avoid having intercourse. Having sex during pregnancy, is it good or is it bad? How should one answer that question? Is it good or bad? Well, the question probably should be, is it allowed or not? Well, that is for your doctor to decide. Is it good or bad is probably for you to answer. I cannot say that. Having sex during pregnancy, does it benefit? Well, I don't know whether it is benefiting the fetus in any way. It could benefit both the partners if they are happier and more contented. That's all I can say. But the most important thing as a doctor, as an obstetrician, what I will say is that it should be confirmed that it is safe for you to have sex while you're pregnant. Next question, does hymen have nerves? Oh my God, I don't know. I never learned in anatomy whether it has nerves. As in, I think what they want to ask us is it painful? Having nerves, as in, is it painful? No, breakage of hymen is not painful. नहीं तो बचपन में जब आप साइकिल चला रहे हो या आप कोई और स्पोर्ट खेल रहे हो, अगर हाइमन रप्चर होता है तो समझ में आता था, but it happens so easily without people even realizing. So no, it has no nerves for sure. I hope I've answered a lot of your questions. Thank you so much. Signing off, Dr. Sonal Kumta.